Hello and welcome to another dashcam video from Adventures with TCS. I'm Tom and today you'll be riding along with me as I drive in the eastern suburbs of Los Angeles, California. But to all my first time visitors, I'd first of all like to say welcome. And if you enjoy this video, I'd appreciate it if you could hit that like, and if you haven't already, that subscribe button as well, because it is enormous help to me in being able to create more videos just like this one. I'd also encourage everyone to leave a comment on this video, and I do my honest best to try to reply to everyone as soon as I can. So this video begins where the last one left off when we're passing the I-15 I-10 interchange in Ontario. From here, we'll continue west on I-10 to its interchange with California 57. After exiting onto California 57, we'll follow it through southeastern LA County and heavy traffic into Orange County, passing through Anaheim to California 57 southern terminus with I-5 in Santa Ana. This video is from the third day of my 10-day adventure to California and back, which will include video from a handful of national parks and monuments, as well as over 6,000 miles of dashcam footage from states like Nevada, Utah, and Colorado, to just name a few. So make sure that you have that subscribe button checked so you don't miss anything. But for now, I'm going to keep driving west on I-10 in sunny California. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. In the next video from this trip, we'll drive I-5 south until it meets the Pacific Ocean, so make sure you're subscribed so you can join me on that adventure. But for now, thanks again for watching. And until our paths meet again, stay adventurous.